Good morning, friends. To overcome the impact of the stressful week, I have decided to make a magic, energetic, and refreshing drink, which we call as a tea. So, I would like to share the steps with you. So, let's begin. So, friends, I am making a ginger tea. So, you can take a grated ginger, but just to save a time, I have taken the piece of this ginger and which I will cut it just to save time. So friends, you can see I have made a random piece, the random pieces of the ginger. So you have to cut them randomly just to make as small as you can. So friends, I am starting the gas now, and I have kept this pot on the stove. Then I will add a glass of water in the pot, and I will add the piece of ginger. You have to make them as small as you can. And I would like to share a tip with you. Whenever you cut the ginger, wash the ginger properly. So there should not be any soil or something. So wash it properly. Otherwise, there is a possibility that when you add a milk into it, and the milk will burst. So don't take a chance. Just wash the ginger properly before you cut it, and then add it into the water to boil. And I'm adding two pieces of cardamom also, so 1 and 2. So let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes properly, so we will get a good juice of ginger, and we'll get a smell of cardamom. So friends, you can see the water is boiling and the water level has been reduced. I'm getting a good smell of ginger and cardamom here. So what I'll do now, I will add milk, a 2 cup of milk into it. So I have added 2 cup of milk and let it boil for 30 seconds. Then we will add a tea leaf or tea powder into it. So let it boil for at least 30 seconds or 1 minute. So friends, you can see milk is hot and it is boiling. Now I will add 3 tablespoons of tea leaf or tea powder into it. There are different kind of tea powder available. So as per the strongness of the tea powder and tea leaves, you can alter the quantity of the tea powder. So I'm adding almost here 3.5 tablespoon of tea powder, and once it is boiled properly, then we will add a little bit of sugar. There is no need to add sugar. You can mix it while serving the tea also, but now I'm preparing it for myself. While boiling itself, I will add the sugar. Friends, I would like to share a funny thing with you. I will show you how to play and enjoy while making a tea. So you just see I am increasing the gas, so it will come up. So you need to monitor it. If you lose the control and if you miss it, then it will come out. So likewise, I used to have fun when I used to make a tea. So you will see it will come up again, and at the edge you have to turn the gas low, otherwise it will come out. So you need to boil the tea until you get a dark brown color. So friends, you can see the milk has been boiled and it is turned into a dark brownish color. So now I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I will boil it again for 1 minute. You can, as I mentioned, you can add sugar while serving the tea also. So friends, you can see our tea is boiling and it is ready. So it has got a dark brown color. So I'm getting very nice smell of cardamom, tea powder, and ginger here. So I will serve it now. So friends, I am turning off the gas and I am serving our tea now. So my magic drink is ready, so I'm going to have it. So friends, you can see, fortunately I got a snowfall also today morning with my hot cup of tea. So I have got a perfect nature and perfect tea. So I'm so glad. Stay with KK's Kitchen and enjoy your day. Thank you everyone.